How in tune are you with traffic on your website? You've probably got Google Analytics to help answer this question, and now with Domo, you can take your Google Analytics experience to the next level. The Google Analytics Insights app gives you a real-time snapshot of common behavior on your website. Need to know how your website traffic has been impacted by your recent social media activity? Check out the number of visitors that were referred to your site by these channels and use the information to focus your social media efforts and marketing budget. Use the visits from mobile information to understand what devices are most commonly used among your viewers, and then prepare content and marketing materials compatible with each platform. Track visits over time and average time on site to see the effects of your marketing decisions on your site traffic and engagement. Need customization? No problem. With one of Domo's design resources, you can add your company logo and customize the app's color scheme. It's time to start boosting your traffic and engaging your viewers in a more effective way. Go to the App Store and try the Google Analytics Insights app today.